Want to know how to automate Asana with Slack to boost your productivity and streamline your workflow? Stick around, because I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, and trust me, the results will surprise you. Stay tuned until the end for an exclusive offer you won't want to miss. First, let's cover the basics of Asana for those who might not be fully familiar with it. Asana is a powerful project management tool that helps teams organize, track, and manage work. With Asana, you can create tasks, assign them to team members, and track progress in real time. It's fantastic for managing both simple and complex projects. Now, let's talk about Slack. Slack is a collaboration hub that brings all your team's communication together. It's where you chat, share files, and keep track of your projects in real time. But when you combine Asana with Slack, you unlock a level of productivity that will change the way you work. Next, let's dive into how you can connect Asana with Slack. The process is pretty simple. Start by installing the Asana integration in Slack. You can find it by going to the Slack app directory, searching for Asana, and clicking Install. Once it's installed, you'll have the ability to receive Asana updates directly in your Slack channels. Once you've got the integration set up, it's time to configure it to work for you. The first thing you can do is set up notifications. For example, you can have Slack notify you whenever a task in Asana is updated or when someone adds a comment to a task. You can even customize these notifications so you're only alerted about what matters most. The next thing you can automate is task creation. Instead of switching between Asana and Slack all the time, you can create tasks directly from Slack. Just type a quick command in a Slack channel, and voila, a new task is created in Asana, assigned to the right person, and you can continue chatting without skipping a beat. The fourth thing is managing tasks right from Slack. You can update the status of tasks, mark them as complete, and even add comments all without leaving Slack. This is great for busy teams who want to stay on top of things without constantly switching between tools. Lastly, let's talk about saving time with reminders. Set up Slack to remind you of approaching deadlines or when tasks are overdue. This ensures that nothing slips through the cracks and your team stays on track. To make this even better, you can try all of these automations for free. In fact, you can access an exclusive extended trial of both Asana and Slack through the first link in the description below. This bonus offer allows you to test everything out for longer than usual, so you get plenty of time to explore the full potential of these tools and their integration. In summary, automating Asana with Slack is a game changer for improving your team's productivity and communication. From creating tasks directly in Slack to receiving important updates in real time, this integration helps you stay organized without the need for constant switching between apps. Plus, you can start using these tools for free by clicking the link below. Don't forget to check out the exclusive offer, and I hope this video helps you take your productivity to the next level.